Welcome, my name is Carl and I've had customers ask me what is the correct way to mix up an isotonic supplement. Now some of you might be asking, what is an isotonic supplement? Well, it's a supplement like this. It comes in the powder format and you mix it with water, you mix it and then you drink it. So what is isotonic? Isotonic means same as fluid pressure as blood, sweat, and tear. So when we mix this powder with water in the correct proportion and you ingest it, it's almost like you're getting an IV of your supplement. 90 to 95% of the supplement is absorbed into your body through the small intestines within the first 10 to 15 minutes. So you actually feel the effect of these supplements, unlike some traditional, supplements which come in the forms of pills. So let's get started here. I have a brand new bottle of what I call OPC3, and it's an amazing product. I take this product all the time here myself. So I will take off the cap, and you'll have to take off the seal, just like so. And you always want to be careful when you're taking off the seal. So as you take off the seal, you will see there is a foil cap on here. Now it recommends that you just put a little pinhole in the top. I prefer to actually peel back half of this, so that way you have an opening that looks just like this. So if you look on the back, the recommended dose is 1 capful per 150 pounds. So if you're over 150 pounds, you'll want to take 2 capfuls. And then also in the very beginning, when you first start taking this, you probably want to take 2 capfuls for that first week. So what you want to do is you want to pour 1 capful of this OPC powder, just like so. And then you want to take 1 capful for 2 ounces of water. You pour it in like so, and you mix it up. Now, if you're taking 2 capfuls of the product, you will then want to do up to the top with water. So then 1 capful, 2 capfuls. Now I'm not talking full capfuls of these, I'm talking full capfuls of these. You have 2 different sizes available, and it's the same mixing procedure for both. And if you need more information, there's a downloadable sheet here at my website. Okay, click the link in my bio. That'll take you to Supplement Intelligently. Come to the Health and Nutrition drop down, and then you'll see how to take isotonic supplements. Click that link.